What you are about to witness is real. The participants are not actors. They are actual litigants with a case pending in civil court. Both parties have agreed to drop their claims and have their cases settled here before Judge Marilyn Milian in our forum, the People's Court.
Whoa! 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 What?
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey everybody, it is leg day, and I'm listening to The Used. Pardon my singing. Alright. So I started out with 4 sets of 12 heels elevated goblet squats. And then I went into 3 sets of 18 reps of alternating stationary lateral lunges, holding 30. And then I went into 3 sets of 18 reps squats with knee ups, holding 20. 40 minutes. I think I made up for what I didn't do this weekend. Okay. It's done. Goodbye.
Question, when you have to sneeze and you got like a little tickle in your nose, do you sniff at the sun? Because that's what I do, and then it makes my sneeze come faster, and it's just out of the way and it's good and done. But I just realized as I was standing on my back porch sniffing at the sun that maybe that's not the most normal thing. Then I was like, I do it all the time, so it has to be normal, right? When I had my rhinoplasty, I would say like the first 3 months I could not sneeze through my nose. So whenever I had to sneeze through my mouth, meaning that I have to open my mouth wide open and then just let it out. So I'm almost 1 year post-op and I can sneeze like normal now.
Bless you.
You can testify, but you just can't win, because I'm here to tell you guilty as sin. Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge. Here comes the judge. Order the court.
Have their cases settled here before Judge Marilyn Milian in our forum, the People's Court.
Tell me what happened.
Yes, Your Honor. Well, I originally contacted Mr. Comic to fix my AC unit.
What was wrong with your... Give me 1 second.
Listen. Well, all right.
Thank y'all.
Bless you.
What was wrong with your AC unit?
Y'all asked for it. I've been tickling my nose for the last 10 friggin' minutes. Sneezed 4 times and pressed the button and wouldn't even record. But as gross as it may be, y'all wanted to hear me sneeze? So bear with me for a minute while I tickle my damn nose. And it should come. There it is. I hope y'all are pleased. I told y'all I don't have little hitches. I have deep within sneezes. Have a good day.
Water or something not very carbonated.
That's right.
On. They're about to come. Ready? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Something that was unexpected when I was telling some people that I was getting a nose job was that they wouldn't believe why I was getting one. I guess because my nose isn't noticeably crooked in real life. People are quick to tell me that, like, you don't need one. Totally ignoring the fact that I just told them that 80% of the reason why I'm getting one is to help my breathing. I have a severely deviated septum, and I didn't realize the side effects until yesterday. In the past several months, I've dealt with extreme sneezing and chronic nose running and postnasal drip. When I say severe sneezing, I mean like sneezing 50 times in an hour for 8 hours straight. And then I have to shove tissue balls up my nose because if not, my nose will be rubbed raw. Symptoms like that ruin the quality of your day, and it adds up. And we don't have to change these. I just put these in like 5 minutes ago because they're wet. I hope that this surgery can fix it, because if it can, it will change my life.
first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.